or you can show it on the, wow. Janet, that's fantastic. I can't believe it. You did that. You did that just like, you see? What? Not even 3 hours, right?
Oh, that's wonderful.
Fantastic. So you're going to develop that even more, and think about the highlights. All right, think about there's some highlights on the on it. All right, I'll show you. For example, here. Yeah, Dennis. Yeah.
Dennis.
Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah, actually, very good, very good, very good. So there's a stronger highlight you see on the edge here.
yeah.
So on Dennis's, you'll see also too here on right here as well. Okay,
Yeah.
and also up here, there are lighter parts of it that you want to. So so that's called accents. Okay, called
Right.
accents in art. Also too on the grapes. Okay,
Right.
as well. Excellent, very good. You see what it's amazing what people can do in 2.5 hours with concentrated effort. Bring it closer. Very good. Very closer to the center. Right.
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's great.
Fantastic.
You just did this now?
Very nice. You see, it's amazing what people can do really in 2.5 hours when there's developing. So that transition from the light from the one end will be softer, smoother.
Yeah.
But for example, the way that the midtone is going into the Terminator shadow, excellent. And with the reflected light and the cast shadow, and you see that what is called the occlusion shadow, which is the dark part here, and then there's the reflected light in the cast shadow, which she's getting. Very good. So you're going to work on it during the week, and actually sometimes using one. Some artists, very well-known artists, just use one pencil, and they'll just manipulate that pencil so that they get the effects they want. Okay, good.
Don't know your own genius.
Right? Excellent. Very well done.
Thanks.
All right. So, Carrie, you want to present?
Sure.
Wow.
Oh, the tribes. Look at that.
God. That is awesome, Carrie.
Thank you.
You
Really
just did that now?
Wow. That
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah. Amazing.
Very good. Yeah. So, Carrie, now also try to find that other colors that also are in his skin. Normally, people with dark color like this have some blue in the color, right? So look carefully, and you'll see that you probably will see blue in some of these lights in there. So there's a nice color temperature contrast between warm and between the bluish quality of these lights here. But very well done, and a lot of form, a lot of sense of form.
Somehow
Excellent.
It reminds me of some of like Matisse's work, like the shape of it and just the placement of it in space, kind of. But it's still definitely your work.
No. Yeah.
Like you're evolving, but it's not like you've taken a,
Right.
turn and gone in a different direction. But I love this one.
Oh, thank you.
It's a work of art is to contemplate. That's why, by the way, it's called fine art. It's not functional in that you can use it to to hang clothing from or something like that. It's to meditate. It's to contemplate. Right here. All right, that's the angle of the eyes, and the angle of her eyes. All right, so it's you can see. Do you see the difference?
Yeah.
All right.
What's interesting though is the whole perspective is still the same. So if you were to rotate it slightly, she's kept all the details in the right position. It's just a different pose.
Right there. Okay, so look where the let's now see where the corner of the mouth goes to the corner of the eye. So the corner of the mouth here. All right. You see the mouth should be longer. Okay. Let's now check here with the corner of the mouth here. Let's check the corner of the mouth here. All right, so it's by doing this kind of thing that the portrait artist really begins to hone in, and that's why.